For sale house and lot in Multinational Village, Paranaque. Selling price, 33 million pesos. Lot area, 400 square meters. Floor area, 550 square m, more or less. Bedrooms, 6. Maid's room, 1. Toilet and bath, 6. Car garage, 3 to 4. Well-maintained house but not furnished. All appliances and furniture that you see in this video is not included to buy. For interested buyers, please send me a message or comment down below for more information.
In today's property market, finding the opportunity can feel like searching for a hidden gem. That's why this channel is dedicated to helping you discover the best properties, understand the legal process, and make smart decisions with confidence. My mission is simple: to help you make informed property decisions that bring value, security, and long-term financial growth. So whether you're buying your first home, investing in real estate, or simply exploring your options, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way.
Welcome to the Gem of Property Specialist, your trusted guide to making real estate simple, safe, and profitable, just like finding a gem worth your money.
And if you find this video helpful, please like and share the video, consider subscribing, and hit notifications so you won't miss the upcoming video. Thank you for watching.